Hi everyone, I wanted to share these new headphones by Ankbit with you guys. I am obsessed with these. They have active noise cancellation. They have this awesome foldable design that makes them perfect for travel. And these are honestly the perfect travel headphones. They're great for when you're traveling on the plane, on the bus, on a train. You can just turn that active noise cancellation on and be in a whole different world. Inside the box, you get a bag to carry them in, which once again makes them great for travel. You can fold them up and throw them in your carry-on bag, and boom, you're ready to go. The other thing that's in here is the manual. It tells you how to get connected and connect your headphones and also how to use them, which is great for when you're first bringing them out the box. Another thing that I love is the design of these headphones. I love the color. It's this midnight blue black color, and the accents are rose gold. They are absolutely beautiful. They have this matte finish to them that just really makes them look very sleek and very different than other headphones that are out on the market right now. They have these buttons here. This is your power on button that will turn on the headphones. You have a volume up, a volume down button, and then a button that turns on the active noise cancellation, and they are chargeable. You charge them through a type C charger, which is actually in here in the box. So in the box, you get a type C charger to charge your headphones, and then you also get a type C adapter, which a type C wire, which type C connects into your headphones, and then you can connect that bottom piece into anything with the headphone jack, meaning you can use these wirelessly or wired, whichever way you prefer. And then, like I said, down here you have your active noise cancellation button. When you press it, it will have this green light and it's turned on. And when you're ready to turn it off, you press that button again and it'll turn on. So it's you can use them with or without the noise cancellation as well, which is another thing that I like. These headphones are absolutely great. After using them for about a month, I've honestly just been using them and no other headphones.
All right, so now that we've unboxed them and I've shown you how beautiful they are, we need to get into the most important part, which is the sound. I've honestly been using these for over a week now, and I am obsessed with the sound. If you are someone who travels a lot like I am, whether it be for the day-to-day, to work, to school, to whatever, or someone who travels a lot like me, I travel a lot for work. I'm constantly on the Amtrak. So on the train, on the bus, on the plane, these really come in handy when it comes to that noise cancellation feature. So you just need to press the button here to connect your Bluetooth. Once your Bluetooth is connected, you can go in and play your music. I'm going to play it right now without the noise cancellation mode. It's very loud, but let's, all right. I am very impressed with the sound. Hold on. I'm going to see if I can show you how loud it goes. So you can see the sound is coming out, so it's pretty loud. So now the thing about these is, even as I'm recording this, I'm probably so loud because I can barely hear myself. I gotta take these off so I can record it. It submerges you in the music. If you're using this to watch a movie or play video games, it completely submerges you in it. It just has this like all around sound, which is what I'm so excited about. I can't wait to use these. I've been using them here to go to work, to go to the supermarket around town, just cutting them on. But I'm so excited to use these when I travel home for the holidays. And if you're planning on doing any traveling, I recommend that you grab yourself a pair too, because it's totally worth it.